Ndewo. Welcome back to Wada Canada, a simple and friendly space where we learn, enjoy, and preserve the beauty of Igbo language and culture together. Today, we will be looking at some traditional Igbo words for kitchen utensils and cooking items that were commonly used in the days of our parents and grandparents. While some are still found in homes today, many are gradually becoming less common as modern alternatives take their place. Let's learn a few of them. Ka anyị mụta ụfọdụ n'ime ha. Udu, clay pot, ngịga, wire hanger used for drying or roasting meat and fish. Ngaji osisi, wooden spoon. Ikwe, mortar. Aka ikwe, pestle. Ọkụ, traditional fireplace or hearth. Iko mbo, a cup made from calabash, traditionally used for drinking liquids. Let's repeat them one more time. Udu, clay pot. Ngịga, wire hanger used for drying or roasting meat and fish. Ngaji osisi, wooden spoon. Ikwe, mortar. Aka ikwe, pestle. Ọkụ, traditional fireplace or hearth. Iko mbo, a cup made from calabash, traditionally used for drinking liquids. These words remind us how our people cooked, ate, and lived before modern kitchen tools become common. Which of these items have you seen or used before? Are there other traditional kitchen utensils you remember from your parents' or grandparents' home? Share them in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and follow Wada Canada for simple lessons on Igbo language and culture. Ndewo.